Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a free shipping bar for your online store in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website or the online store you want to add a free shipping banner on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a free or to let my customers know about my free shipping offer, simply with your mouse hover over the header, which is this white part or white section, and you will see this add sticky bar. Click on it like that. Now first let's start with the banner copy or text. So for that I will get the help of ChatGPT. I will ask it to write me a free shipping banner text for orders over 50 USD. Spend $50 and get free shipping. Don't miss out. Add only away from free shipping. I think I will go with the basic one, free shipping on orders over $50. So this is what. Now to edit this, I will make this bold, free shipping. Now let's select the announcement bar from the side and click on edit. In order to see this edit section, click on it. Here you can set or you can change the section or the announcement bar background color. Let's go with this. I think this is good. I will go with this yellow, or let's skip it a little bit to the orange. Now that the section color is set, instead of a section color, instead of a color, you can also use an image. But since this like that, but since this is a small section, it is better to go with a color. For the or from the layout, you can edit this section height. I will keep it small, and from here you can also edit the visibility depending on mobile and also desktop. You can set this way. You can this free shipping banner is only visible on mobile users. And this in here, let's update my website to see this free shipping banner live. Let's view my website live, and this is, as you see, the section. This is how it looks like, but after loading, the text shows all effects that I don't want. So let's see how to edit this effect. Select text, then here click on these three dots. I'm not sure. Yes, animation. Click on no animation. You can go with fade, slide, or scale. I will go with no animation. Click on update. Let's view my website live, and now the free shipping announcement bar shows up without an animation. And this is how to add a free shipping announcement bar in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.